Hello friends, today I will explain you digital number systems. This lecture will be the first course of the lectures of the digital electronics. These number systems, binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Now let's look to properties of these number systems. Binary number systems consist of the numbers only 0 and 1. Also, these numbers also called the base 2 number systems. Yes, digital binary number systems equal to number systems. Each number is expressed in digits and they are written as in base 2 001 open parenthesis 00110 and close parenthesis in base 2 1011001. Yes, the key point is binary numbers consists of only 0 and only 1. Second important number system is decimal number system. Decimal numbers smaller than 10 and it uses 10 digits from 0 to 9. They are written in base 10 and spelling notation is like that. The important point for decimal number system, they consists of the numbers from 0 to 9 and the numbers in parentheses must be smaller than 10. For example, 5872. This is decimal number. Each position represents a specific power of the base 10. 2 in the unit position, 7 in the tenth position, 8 in the hundredth position, and 5 in the thousandth position. Another number system is octal number system, and these numbers smaller than 8. It uses 8 digits from 0 to 8, and these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and they are written in base 8. The base must be 8. Spelling notation is like that. The important thing for this number system, the numbers must be smaller than 8. For example, this spelling notation is true, but if the number is, this is false because there is a number in parentheses 8. This is not octal number. The last number system is hexadecimal number system. If you look the features of this system, it consists of 10 digits and 6 letters. Digits and these letters. They are written in base 16. For example, the base must be 16. Hexadecimal numbers smaller than 16. In parentheses, the numbers must be smaller than 16. Each letters represents a number. 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, and 15 is F. For example, if you write a hexadecimal number A6, B9, 4. This is an hexadecimal number system. A represents 10, B represents 11, 9, 4. Yes, this is the hexadecimal number system and is written in base 16. If I summarize this course, I have 4 number system. These are binary, decimal, octal, and hexadecimal. Binary numbers is expressed number 2 for decimal. We write 10 for octal, 8, and hexadecimal. For hexadecimal, we can write 16. And binary numbers only 0 and 1. Decimal numbers from 0 to 9. Octal numbers, it starts from 0 to 8. And hexadecimal numbers starts from 0 to 16. For 10, we can write A, B, C, D, E. For 15, we can write F. That's all I have to say about number systems. See you in the next lesson.